It's important to hire a personal injury lawyer because first and foremost, our law firm and a law firm, a plaintiff's injury law firm, acts as an insurance policy and a safety net for the client and their families. If the injury turns out to, if the accident was minimal, the injuries are minimal, then a person walks away and the case is closed and we kind of move forward. However, our focus and representation is if those injuries become severe. And if the accident is severe, how does a person recover medically? How does a person recover with their material circumstances? How do they pay for their groceries? How does a person move forward in their lives when they've been doing heavy labor their whole lives and now they find themselves after a car accident and they've had back surgery and they've had herniations in their neck and now they're not able to do any heavy lifting? How do you transition a person to a lighter role where they're going to be able to get the training they need to kind of reorganize their lives and plan their lives and move forward? That's number one. And number two, insurance companies inevitably, and all of us pay insurance premiums and we wish they were a little bit lower. But the bottom line is insurance companies tend to minimize the severity of injuries and the ability of a client to recover for their accident. And we've seen time and time again where insurance companies have taken advantage of our clients, and we've stepped in and we've helped them and we've maximized their recovery and got them what they were entitled to. I'll give you an example of one time that we helped an individual recently. We had an individual, he was a Hispanic background, Spanish speaking, he did not speak any English. He was involved in an automotive accident. One of the major insurers, a major insurance company, called him up and they sent him a release in English offering him $5,000 as a settlement for his case. So he signed it, and then he called us and he asked us if that was a fair resolution to his matter. So we conveyed to him that we did not think that that was fair value for his case. We went and we suited the case. We went in front of a judge and we argued and we won, stating that the client did not understand what he was signing. The client did not speak English. The client did not read English. And here was an insurance company that was kind of trying to put one over on the client, on the individual that we were representing, and we were able to get him a six-figure recovery, in the couple $100,000 range, simply because that was full value for his case.